how to make your home feel more relaxing. Our lives these days are busier than ever. We spend more time in our offices or on the road than we do in our own homes. Our lives have become so fast-paced and frenzied that we really need to make a concerted effort to slow down. For many of us this no longer comes naturally, and we must force ourselves to relax, to really stop and smell the roses. A home that is disorganized, chaotic and full of discord is not a relaxed one. There are a few simple and very basic steps that we can do to make our homes more harmonious and peaceful to return to at the end of a busy day.